Hi, you're probably here because you're experiencing partial loss of power somewhere in your home. I'm Stacy with 24/7 Electric, and today I'm going to walk you through 2 pro tips on how to restore power to your home before calling an electrician. Follow me. So before we begin, it's important to know that you're dealing with electricity, so be safe. Never remove your panel cover or touch breakers with wet hands. And it's always a good idea to disconnect devices and appliances along the circuit so that they're not damaged when you restore your power. Common power loss issues can be caused by breakers and GFCI outlets. A GFCI outlet will not reset if your power is not on. So grab your flashlight and let's head over to your breaker panel. If you hear crackling, see sparking, or smell burning, immediately stop and contact an electrical professional at 24/7 Electric. And at this time, you may require your flashlight so that you can see. On your electrical panel, you'll see all the breakers that control the circuits in your home. Here on the top is your main breaker. This is usually indicated by a 100 amp or 200 amp marking. All the lower breakers below are where we are going to begin. Order is important here. It'll ensure that we are resetting everything correctly, as well as ensure we're not damaging your electrical system. First, you will start by firmly pressing all of the smaller breakers to the off position. A clicking sound is what you should hear in order to indicate that the breaker is in the correct position. You'll then continue to turn off all of the breakers and then move to your main breaker. When you move to turn off the main breaker, it may be slightly more difficult than the smaller breakers below. Now we are going to reverse the process. We're going to start by firmly depressing the main breaker to the on position, followed by turning all of the smaller breakers into the on position. Now that we've ensured that all of your breakers are reset, let's go and check out your GFCI outlets and make sure that they are reset properly too. To reset your GFCI outlet, press the reset button firmly. You should hear a clicking sound. Once this has been completed, the power should be restored. If the power is not restored, there may be a problem with another GFCI outlet along the same circuit. You will have to repeat this process with all of the GFCI outlets located in your home. Don't forget to leave us a comment below. Like and subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos from the professionals at 24/7 Electric.